Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Bixby on Samsung. Firstly, press and hold the side button, which is the power button, until Bixby launches, and follow the on-screen setup instructions to activate Bixby Voice. Or you can open the Samsung folder on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on Bixby app icon, then click on the start button and follow the prompts to set up Bixby Voice. Voice activation if enabled, say "Hi Bixby" to wake it up, and settings. Navigate to Settings, Advanced Features, then Bixby key to customize activation options. Once activated, you can start using Bixby Voice to send text, set reminders and check the weather. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.